leadership preparing to echo through the jungle. The animals listen attentively, their spirits ignited by lions' rallying cry, "We must protect our home, we will fight for the forest." Elephant declares boldly, "Well, block their trucks with trees," while monkey adds mischievously, "And well, confuse them with jungle tricks." A unified chorus of nods seals their pact, as the animals resolve to defend their home, their determination solidifying with each shared word. The jungle trembles as monstrous bulldozers